guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 20. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is kind of late in the day. It's like maybe 3. I think it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And I went to go print out some pictures yesterday because my mom wants me to do some DIY ornaments. So that's what I'm going to do. So we got these from the Dollar Tree and she wants to put like the faces of our family members in each of these and hang them up on the tree. But I just feel like this doesn't really go with the aesthetic of our tree because our tree is white, gold, and silver. So, I mean, it does have a little bit of red, but the only red that we have, it's like this little ladder, the presents, and the stockings. So I might just put this on the stockings, either like in front of them, just hanging them. I have an idea what I'm gonna do, but I forgot the pictures that I printed out or developed, whatever, in my car. And when I got home, I was like, oh my god, now I have to go back to my car and get them. And I was already late at night and it was so cold. So I need to go and do that because I have an hour to make the chicken in the oven. So I need to go do that. And I'm so lazy to go out just because it's so cold. But whatever, I'm just gonna do that and I will take you guys along with me. We're gonna switch to my phone, so if the camera quality is kind of crappy, you guys know why. All right, so I'm putting on this jacket. Hold on, guys. I don't even know whose jacket this is. I think this is my mom's because mine has fluff and it is like super cold outside. It's going to rain tomorrow, so I'm not trying to go out at all. And then it's going to snow like 7 days straight. I did not go out today at all, and I'm not trying to go out at all, so I'm just trying to stay home. And the only thing that I've done today, which was really not that interesting, and I don't think it was interesting to vlog, was I woke up, I made myself some breakfast for me and my brother, and then I just washed the dishes, and then I was laying down on my bed reading the book that I'm reading right now, and then I was just on TikTok. So there really wasn't much to vlog, especially when I'm home and I don't want to go out. So let's go out right now. Let me take my keys. I don't even know where they're at. Oh, they're right here. That's how it looks outside. It looks really cute, except that it is really cold. And as you can see, the ice is already melting, but I'm kind of scared to slip. Not in the mud, but like, you guys will see. I hope they're there. I really hope that they're there. I found them already. This is what makes it slippery. This right here, it's like slippery. So that's what I'm scared of. So I'm back. It is so cold outside. This is so annoying having to take off like layers of jackets and like your boots. It is so annoying. But I do this every day. And I'm sure I'll be doing this for like 3 months straight. And then we have a tray right here where we put our boots just because our bottom of the shoes have snow. So when it melts and we have the heater on, it's gonna be on the floor. So that's why we have that tray there. These are how my little Croc charms look on my wannabe Crocs. That they're not Crocs, but they're cute and they're warm. So as long as they do the job and they make my feet warm, that's all I care. So I'm going to show you what is it that I'm going to do. Let's go back to my Canon camera quality. Way better. You guys for coming back to this camera quality. Alright, so we're back to better quality. So here are some of the things we... Oh, I thought something like cracked, but no. We got some things from Family Dollar. It's a Dollar Tree well, we have Dollar Tree, so I guess you can say this is like a 99-cent store, kind of like a Dollar Tree 99-cent store. Any other, you guys know what I'm saying. These are all like stuck. Okay, so we have a penguin, which a penguin's so cute. We have Santa, and then we also have a gingerbread. And then I also have the clear plastic round ornaments that I can just put like something in here, but I don't know what to do with them. I don't know if I should like write their name on it, or yeah, I don't have any paint or anything like that. My mom wanted me to put a picture in there, but I only have like, for each one I only have like one out of each, like one picture for each family member. So as you can see, me. You have my nephew, my mom and my brother, and my niece, and my sister, and my brother-in-law, and all that stuff. So I don't have enough to put them in the ornaments. Let me show you the ornaments. So this is what she was thinking. She wanted me to put, I guess, their picture in here, and like put some of this little fake snow and a little bit of glitter in there. But what I'm gonna do is I am just going to write each of their name. Or you know what I'm going to do, but it might look kind of crappy quality. I feel like these already look kind of crappy quality, but I feel like it would look better if I put these in here. I think I'm just going to print these out, and with the paper I'll put it in here, right? I don't know, we'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna print these in a printing paper, which the quality might not be the best. I don't know how this is even going to go, but let's do 2 pictures and let's see how it goes. Okay, we're going to do color. Oh wow, yeah, super bad quality, really bad. Okay, well my nephew didn't come out that bad, but this is how I came out. See, my nephew didn't come out that bad. What the heck? Okay, it's okay, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so I only have 1 copy of these, so I hope I don't mess these up, because if not, I honestly don't want to go out and do this whole process. It took me, I'm not lying to you guys, it took me an hour just to do these. An hour. And I was annoyed already at that point. I went to Walgreens because it's a little bit closer to where I live. The lady that was there, sorry if you're watching this, I don't even know if you're watching it or not, but the lady that was there that was using one of them, she just had a bad attitude. And then the machine wasn't working, so I just left. So, and then I went to CVS, and then I went to a machine. There was 2 machines, but one was busy, and so I went to the other machine. And whatever, I finished all the pictures that I wanted to upload on the little kiosk computer or whatever, and I got my ticket, and I just had to wait for my pictures to be printed in seconds. While I'm waiting, then the worker comes and she's like, oh, you might not want to use that one, you might want to use this one because this one takes forever. I'm like, wow, really? You just told me that right after I had gotten my ticket, just to wait for my pictures, just to do it again. So the lady leaves, I go back and I try the other kiosk, and then I get my pictures all done, right, and printed, and then only like 6 of them come out, and I'm like, I need 2 more. So I go back and I have to, like, it's like a Bluetooth thing, so I have to connect it to my phone. And then, right, I chose the 2 pictures that didn't print, only one of them print. I had to go back again and I had to print out another picture, and I'm like, this just takes seconds to do all of this, and it took me an hour, and I was annoyed already. I wanted to come home. Okay, let me try to do these first. Let me try to do these small ornaments first. And we have these huge big wall ornaments, and then we have these little ones. Let me start by cutting out these, just because I don't want to cut out the originals, just in case I mess up. I don't have any more and I don't feel like going out. So I'm just going to trace I feel like these clear ones I am going to put up on the tree just because it'll look cute. But these, I'll just put them in front of their stocking where each of their initials are. So since I already have this one open, I'm going to try and just fold a little bit of my brother's face and insert that in here. Hopefully it doesn't get ugly. This looks hilarious. I can't. Okay. Oh my god, wait, okay. I was like, I hope I don't get my fingers stuck in there. Let's put some holiday music. Where's my phone? Alright, we'll have that. Even though I might get copyrighted because of I can't have music here, but I'm not getting paid, so what the heck. Alright, there. And then put a little bit of sparkles in there. Okay. That looks funny. And my little niece too. She doesn't have a... It looks like she has a big head, but she has a lot of hair that makes it look like she has a big head. Alright, let me tape hers because hers is a little bit too small, so I'm going to tape that one. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of that fake snow. I feel like hers looks so cute. I'm glad. As long as I made hers cute, everybody else doesn't really matter. Alright guys, so I'm kind of done with the ornaments, and now I'm just going to cut each of their faces and then put them in here. And yeah, so far that's kind of all done. So I just need to put the chicken in the oven really quick, and then I'll leave that in there for like a couple hours. I'm going to spray this onto the pan just so that the chicken doesn't stick. Chicken's right here, and I'm going to put that there. So in the meantime, while that is cooking in the oven, I am going to start doing each of my family members' ornaments out. So my battery's going to die, so I'm just going to replace the battery, and I'm just going to do this off camera. Okay, so it is much later. I'm still not done with the chicken, but that's because we had like something really important that we had to go do. So chicken is still there. I put the chicken at 4:20, 4:30, and now it's 6:18, so it's almost done. But this is the final result of how it looks. It looks so cute. And then the ornaments, I just put them up here on the tree. It looks really cute. I didn't want to put these on there because I just didn't want to ruin the aesthetic of the tree. So I feel like these look much cuter than these. So these look cute on there, I will say that. I am just going to leave the vlog here. Sorry I didn't vlog much, guys, but I will catch up with you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow might be another day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with more videos, and I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.